to my channel. I'm Rashi. Welcome back to the Makeup Basic series and the self-grooming session online with me. Today I'm going to speak about how to conceal and correct at home on your own self, and I'm not doing contouring and highlighting today because this video is itself an elaborate one. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to conceal and correct your under eye dark circles, pigmentations, acne, wrinkles, puffy eyes, whatever skin related issues you have. I'm going to speak about it. So if you guys are interested in knowing the tips and tricks that I have for you, then stay tuned and keep on watching. So the number one thing is selecting the right concealer or the right corrector for your skin. Nowadays there are so many brands available, so many products and so many colors, so it confuses that what is the exact product that I need for my skin tone. So I'm going to guide you guys that what all products are available, what products do I use, and I'm also going to suggest a few shades for fair, medium and dark skin tones, from budget brands to luxurious brands. Whatever suits your pocket you can purchase, and I'm going to mention the products in the description down below, so you can have a great idea if you want to buy a certain product. And even it will be easy for you guys to select a shade which will be very much close to your skin. So I'm going to roughly give shade ideas for fair skin, medium skin and dark skin, so you can choose any of the products from them. Nowadays there are so many color correctors available in the market, namely red, yellow, green and purple. Well, red color is used to cover any under eye dark circles or acne. Yellow color is used to not just cover a basic dark circle but also to make your face and your makeup look a little bright. Green is used to cover acne and the dark spots that your face have, and purple is basically for pigmentation. So these are the uses and so are the colors designed it for, but I do not go for all the colors. My favorite ones are red and yellow. The red color corrector and the yellow color corrector works almost for all skin. Since I'm a professional makeup artist, have done makeup for so many brides and shoots and so many different skin types, and I have stayed very much intact to what I always do, that is using a red color corrector and yellow. So these two are my favorite ones, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use red corrector and yellow corrector. Let's talk about under eye dark circles. Well, all of us are very much used to seeing ourselves with a little bit of dark circles, but now with the latest trend of highlighting and concealing and correcting, people totally cover up their under eye dark circles, and which is why we are going to learn how to cover under eye dark circles as well. I'm going to show you guys how to cover under eye dark circles. I'm just preparing this much part of my face. Well, you need to have a really good face base prep done before. I have a new whole video about the face base story, how to do a very good face base before starting a makeup. If you haven't checked it, then go check it out. I will try to mention the link in the description down below. And yeah, so firstly you need to have a very good face base prep done. So I have done a little bit of moisturizing right now. If you have a good face base, then applying the other products become easy. Today I'm going to use MAC Concealing and Correcting Palette, and this is in the shade medium deep. This is the palette. I've used these shades a lot, so it's totally over, but you get it in fair, medium and dark skin tones. So this is one of the investment. When I purchased, this was for 3600, but it is worth the money. You need very little product and this conceals very nicely, and I will also give you other options, so not to stick to just MAC. If you don't want to buy MAC, you can buy other options too. And firstly I'm going to take the red color corrector from the palette, just a very little bit, and now I am just pressing it under the eyes. So basically if you have acne, you have pigmentations, wherever, you can use this all over. Sometimes I use it, around the smile lines, and try to blend it as evenly as possible. So it should be like a very thin layer of the product. After that I will go with the yellow corrector, and again yellow corrector also you have to take very little just to cover the red part. If you have wrinkles, if you have puffy eyes, then make sure you use very little product. And at times if you have puffy eyes, I think you should not even cover the under eye dark circles, or else your puffy eyes may look more puffy. So I prefer using my finger because of the heat of the palms and fingers. The product melts very easily and blends into the skin. But if you are someone who would like to use a brush, you may do so. This is my preference of doing it with fingers, and later on I use a sponge if required. So you can see the difference it already gives in my under eye dark circles. So this is how you just conceal. And then on top of this you can apply a pressed powder, or maybe you can use a loose setting powder, translucent powder. So this will set in place and will not crease. My preference is always doing concealer first and then foundation. You can do other way, you can do foundation followed by concealing. But my whole point of doing concealing first is that it covers major part of the face. So now I have to use a very little foundation to do the whole makeup foundation routine. And yeah, so see how easy it is to conceal and correct with just two things. It didn't even take whole 2 minutes to just conceal, the under eyes. And similarly you can do it, even on top of the eyelids. And I usually have this way of doing the makeup while I'm doing the face base. Whatever the product is left in the sponge or the brush, or maybe with the fingers, I just roughly do it on my eyelids also. So even this evens out, so I don't have to use a separate product sometimes. So yeah, this is a very good tip that you guys can follow. In case you are of a skin type where you do require a little bit of concealing for the dark circles, so again you'll take a very little bit of the red color corrector. Again you'll apply a very small base. Well, this works for all skin types, no matter how fair or dark or medium skin you may be. On top of this, you can use a yellow color corrector, or you can directly use a concealer that matches your skin tone. So this is one more concealer that I'm showing, Smashbox. I've totally used this product up, but I'll just show it to you guys. And at times, even on the yellow, you can top it off with your skin color, like red, yellow and the skin color. And if you believe you don't have that much dark circle, do a very little bit of red. Top it off with your skin base skin color concealer. And see, even this will look really good. So you can even out with your foundation, with your concealer. You can see what looks best for your skin, and it's not always necessary to use a bright concealer. You can use a yellow color corrector only. You can use yellow color corrector as well as your skin matching concealer, and just the red corrector. With this I will write the options also, so it will be easy for you to write down in the notes if you are someone who is really willing to write notes. And see, you can see my difference of, on my smile lines as well, how much it corrects. Just the only thing is that if you use a skin color concealer on top of this yellow, then it will look more skin like and not too yellow. But at times I love to use a yellow color corrector to make the face look more bright. Well, one more thing that I am talking to you guys with my experience is that we are surrounded by people who have seen us with a little bit of dark circles. So at times when we conceal too much, then our eyes may look small and we may look more Chinese looking. And yeah, this is my clients reviews that I'm saying. Either clients reviews or their family members are like, yeah, don't conceal, don't do over makeup. So what in simple sense it means that do not cover too much of dark circles, because people are used to seeing certain dark circles. Simply do the foundation routine and try to take the foundation as natural as possible over the under eyes, and do not use too many products, because we, as you know, like teenage people or college going people, office going people, all these young age people are still used to seeing, you know, with full makeup on. But if you are 40 plus or 45 plus, and if you are not of that preference of doing too much of makeup, then you may simply stick to the foundation. Do not do too much of under eye concealing, because this is my experience that I'm saying what people like. And I personally do like little bit of dark circles at times. I don't even conceal so much. Just a simple moisturizer, foundation, and yeah, I do my eye makeup and everything spot on. But not always it's required to conceal so much. But yes, concealing does make a big difference. So yeah, this is all about concealing and correcting. If you guys have any doubts or any questions, you may feel free to mention it in the comment down below. I will try to answer as many, be it products, be it any questions, what product you need to buy for you, what technique you should use, how to use. I will always be there to guide it to you. And don't forget to check the description box. Please like this video, comment what you want to see next. I'm going to film the next video, that is the foundation routine. So you will get a lot of product knowledge about how to use foundation, what all foundations are available, what are the uses of it, and yeah, everything related to foundation, makeup base. So stay tuned for the next video, stay connected, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.